Hi guys, my name remains Nelcon, the Amazon KDP expert. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. Please, I need your subscription. I need you to watch my videos because in this video, I'll be definitely showing you some secrets to what you feel you don't know about Amazon KDP, right? So today, like I said, secret to earn on Amazon KDP with ease, without stress, because I understand that most people are looking for ways to make money. And some of you have heard about Amazon KDP, but you don't know how to go about it. Some have been on Amazon KDP, you're not making sales. Some have the account for some time now. You don't understand. Let me just use that word. So, like I was saying, secret to earn on Amazon KDP with ease. With ease. Let me even with ease. Let's switch from ease to steez. Do you get? I would have loved to change that. So who are these for? Like I said, looking to start earning online. We have different ways you can earn online. But from research, from what I've practiced, Amazon KDP is one of the cheapest and easiest to do compared to either drop shipping, affiliate marketing. I'm not trying to talk down on any online businesses, right? But I can tell you for free, for someone that's been to this online space for quite some time now, I can tell you categorically, Amazon is one of the easiest and cheapest to do. Even though myself, I'm into YouTube animation, that's a faceless YouTube channel. Definitely, I'll go into dropshipping as time goes on. Definitely, I love to do forex. I would love to do crypto. But for the moment, if you are want to start making money online with ease, without spending much, right? Amazon KDP is one of the easiest one. Like I was saying, people looking to start earning online. And who this video is for again, you have been into you have an Amazon KDP account before now, like let's say 2-3 years ago, you have had an Amazon KDP, you see people making money online, you created an account, you wrote 1 or 2 books, you are not seeing that sales. Yeah, these people, let me just say it, you have a dormant account, you are not using the account for anything. This video is definitely for you. You have been publishing again, you that have been publishing, you have taken some courses, you have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 courses, still yet you feel this thing, I know they see the results. Definitely this video is for you. You are not seeing the result, or you are not making sales. Even though you are making sales, like someone was telling me 2 days ago, one of our friends was making $17 in a year. All throughout the year, she's making $17. How come? When some people are making $1,000 in a day. Do you get? I've not been to there. I've not made $1,000 in a day, but I can tell you I make $1,000 in less than 10 days before. Right? That's in December. I've made over $100 in a day before. I've never made $1,000 in a day before. So I don't need to for people that knows me very well, I'm a very straightforward person. Do you get? You are tired of writing or lazy to write. The truth is that maybe I shouldn't use the word lazy, because in all honesty, not everybody knows how to write. Personally, if anybody should tell me a few years ago, Nelcon, you'll be writing books, I'll go saying a lie. The truth is, you can learn the process. It's learnable, right? It's not a must you are born an author. It's not a must you are born to be a writer. Because of the sake that you are looking to earn money online, automatically you are developing skills for yourself. Like now, I can write books for people anywhere in the world. They pay me for it because that's not what I studied in school, but I learned the process and it's working for me. We have some people that are called ghostwriters. They write for a living. They are making cool cash of it. But this video is not about ghostwriter, it's not about writing or so. This video is meant to give you the easiest way to make money online, the secret. So the information I will be sharing, if you watch this video to the end, I bet you don't want to sleep on this information because it's worth every seconds of your time. So what is this strategy all about? Voila, is called public domain book. And one way or the other, you might have heard about public domain. Definitely, if you have been publishing on Amazon KDP before, that first page we call metadata. There's something when you own the copyright, or is it a public domain book? Most of us, we own the copyright. But there's something we call public domain book. And Amazon, for you to see it in that first page of Amazon, meaning Amazon allows public domain book. And what are public domain book? I'm not going to give you anything from my head. we'll definitely switch to Google ourselves and read what a public domain book is all about. I've typed it here before. Let me just press enter again. What are public domain book? You and I will sit down, we read it together, and I will digest it together, and I'll tell you simple way, easiest way to do it without stress. And like as you can see here, it says public domain books are those who copyright has expired. Let me read. Those who copyright has expired. Let me pause here. For the foreign people, right? For the people that are living abroad, if you write your book, right? You wrote your book, a story about your life, or you write a fiction book, a non-fiction book, you have the right to that book because you own the manuscripts, and you can. There's a way you can claim the copyrights of that book. So public domain book, like your copyright to that book has expired, right? The book is already there out there for quite some time, over 70 years, and the copyright has expired. Those are books that you can resell, which Amazon accepts. Let's read. Again, it said that public domain books are those whose copyright has expired or never existed. Meaning anyone can freely, let me highlight, anyone can freely use, used, shared, and adopt them without needing permission or paying fee. The truth is, there are some certain set of books that those authors have written them. Those books are selling come rain, come sun. Most of these books are fiction books. There are some well-known authors. I have to be sincere. There are some well-known authors in like before I was born, right? That come rain, come sun, those books are selling. But you have to be sure if these books are now license free for you to use, for you to repackage, for you to resell on Amazon. Like I said, Amazon accepts it. Yours is just to click that yes, these books are public domain books. And guess what? Let me come back to my this thing. Guess what? Writing books on its own, the kind of books we wrote, right? I write. I'm a publisher on Amazon KDP. They are non-fiction books. And the truth is, for you to get a non-fiction books to write or a topic to write on, you need to put in the work and make research. Same is applicable to this public domain book, one way or the other. You need to be sure of this particular book I'm about to publish. And guess what? If you check those kind of books, there are many of them on Amazon. The same name, the same pen name, that's the author name on Amazon, because you already stated that it's a public domain book and people are ready to buy. Now, how do you source for it? You need to make the research. But guess what? We have made it easier for you, myself and my team. We have made it easier for you to we have done the research for you, because you need to be sure that these books are over 70 years old. Like the owner of this book have written this book and it has been in public for over 70 before you can be able to republish it as your own, or you claim it as your own. But while claiming it as your own, you can't change the pen name. That's the author name. Yes, we know Amazon has a rule that you can't use another person's pen name, another person well-known author, but there's a way around it. So far you indicate that this book is a public domain book, bro. Sis, any person watching this video from anywhere around the world, definitely you can use this book. I'm not here to sell garbage for you. I'm into Amazon KDP for over some time now, and I know how it works. So now you can make research on your own if you want to know which book fall into the category of public domain book that you can resell on Amazon KDP. So once you have lay your hands on all such kind of books, you can now reformat it. Let's take for instance, the book is stated in, let's say, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 to like part 150, for instance. You can rearrange the book to be in chapters. Let's take for instance, the original book has 100 chapters. You as a person, after grabbing the book, you can change the font of the book, font size. Let's say the font size is 12. You can decide to make it 14. Let's say the font size is 14. You can decide to make it 12. Let's take for instance the book in general, plus or minus 100 chapters. You can decide to reduce it to 50 chapters. And how will you do that? Let's say chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. You can merge it to be only one chapter. so that the page count will be too much, adjusting, doing another formatting, because the truth is you can't just pick a book the way you saw it online, right, and just publish. Amazon will bounce back on you, the automated account. You need to reformat it to your own style of formatting. Do you get? So once you lay your hand on those kind of books, then you can republish on Amazon KDP, stated that they are public domain book, put your price on it and start selling. But guess what? All these I've explained are kind of similar to rewriting the non-fiction fiction books and fiction book, because you need to make research to get a particular topic to write on. People that does travel guide understand this. People that does cookbook, people that have even we write books on Amazon KDP, we understand the work of research, because definitely no pain no gain. If you are lazy, you can't make money. That's just the bitter truth. No pain no gain. So for this sake, personally, myself and my team, we have make research. We have compiled 50 books, 50 public domain book for you. As you can see, standard 50 book pack. So like I said, for people that fall into this category, like you are looking to start a business, making money online, you have an Amazon KDP account that you have not been using, you have not been publishing because you don't know how to go about it. You have been publishing on Amazon KDP but no sales or no result or no sales, so you felt frustrated, you left the account, or you are tired of writing. People that find it difficult to make research. Like I was saying, if for you to be lazy or don't know how to write, maybe you are into 9 to 5, you are looking to make money online, blah blah blah, and you don't want to stress yourself, just know that you have the money to invest, because that's where it will bounce to. 50 pack of book has been organized, arranged, formatted for you. Yours is just to pay the sum of 155,000 naira, and you have access to that 50 books, and you publish those 50 books on Amazon KDP account and website. Normally Amazon, we can publish 3 books per day. As at now that I'm recording this video, the 30th of March 2025, we have a chance to publish 3 books per day. Let's assume you manage to get pay the 155,000 naira, you have access to these 50 books. In less than 30 days, you are done publishing. 3 times 30, you should be able to, like, let's say 2 books per day. You have the time to chance to publish, which won't take you necessarily less than 30 to 45 minutes to publish the 2 books. And in 25 days, for instance, you are done publishing your 50 books, and you leave the account there while you keep on generating your income every blessed day. So myself and my team, we have come together, like I said, 50 packs of 50 books for you, a public domain books that you can publish at the rate of 155k, and in dollars, anyone watching around the world, is once you click on this link below this video, it's tagged as the price is 59.99 USD, and you have access to it. Guess what? Personally, I write non-fiction book for people at the rate of 45,000 naira per book. People that knows me, that are into my community, they know, you can comment below. I charge 45,000 naira for one book. This is you having access to 50 public domain book for just 155,000 naira, or 89.9, approximately $90. Right? So don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it, guys. Like I mentioned, don't sleep on it. You need to make money. 2025, you have your goal, you have your budget, you have whatever you are thinking, financial goals. Don't sleep on it. Just lay your hands on these books and publish, right? And what you'll be getting when you lay your hand on the book, like I have this note here. I said notes. Let's be together on this. Let me copy this and use it here again. Notes. You are only laying your hands, because people that knows me before now, how sincere I am. I'm not just greedy to just enter your pocket. Note, what you'll be getting are only manuscripts. You'll be getting only manuscripts. The manuscripts are well formatted, right? And what comes with it, the manuscript, definitely the title, the subtitle, the pen name, and a video videos on how to publish. If you are a JJC, you have not taken any Amazon KDP course before, a video will be provided for you on how to go about the publishing process, right? which definitely you'll be added to a group on Telegram, precisely a group where you can ask questions. And like I said, I mentioned manuscript is all you have access to. What about the keywords? Question, right? What about the keywords? What about the category? What about the keyword category description? Description of the book. The process will be taught in the video you have access to after getting all this. I have to be sincere. That's why I'm trying to name them out now. For you, you'll be like, okay, keyword sorted, category sorted. Definitely the pen name you'll be using is the author name, main author name, because it's accepted on Amazon for public domain. All you just need to click that these are public domain books and you are good to go. You have access to that. And another thing, like what about the cover, book cover, book cover, book cover, right? What about the book cover? Nelcon, you are asking me to get a public domain book, the manuscripts. Won't I publish a book cover? Definitely, you have to publish with a book cover. For you to have access to it, right? The fact that you have purchased this particular 50 books for yourself, definitely there will be a just minimal fee to design your book cover for you. Hello, I'm stating it categorically. This is not coming with book cover, though there will be a video that will teach you how to do all these things on your own. But if you feel you don't know how to, you don't want to stress yourself, there will be a little charges for use. You can even pay someone to publish the books for you. Yours is just to have the account, on how even to create the account, how to create the account itself, creating of accounts. Let's say because you are hearing this for the first time, you feel like you want to venture into it. A service can be rendered for you on how to go about it, creating an account, or you can easily out just lay your hands on the 155,000 or 89.99 USD, get the book. The video will be given to you on how to go about the process of publishing them, which definitely via the what's it called, cover design, book description, keywords, everything will be sorted for you. And if you feel you don't have the time, don't do the word lazy, you don't have the time to go around about how to do all these things, definitely there are some ready-made thing for you. Will connect them to you, they will do the job for you with little change. Let me use that word. I don't have a specific price for that, but definitely it can never be above what you have paid for the book to be published. So if you find this interesting, you can take your time to read about more about public domain book before you click the link, because definitely I'll provide the list. Particular is a seller page, which a seller platform that tells definitely excuse me, that your payments is your card payment online is secured. You don't have to you don't have to panic. Once you just click on buy now, you have access to the books, right? And you'll be joined to automatically join the Telegram channel, where you have a group of self-minded people where you share the idea, ask questions, we are there to answer you. So if you find it interesting, please feel free to share with someone that you know that okay, you need to start making money online. Feel free to give this video a like. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because definitely I'm coming back with a massive announcement, which everybody coming to learn or make money online, you definitely don't want to miss my channel, because an announcement is coming anytime soon for every of my followers that you benefit from. So see you in the next videos, and bye for now.